styling, I'll go ahead and tell like a little story time or review over what I made. So this is the wrap top by Muto Crochet. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'll leave her Instagram over here. She has some amazing designs. I purchased this pattern off of Etsy, and I don't remember the price, but I have linked it down below. In terms of the yarn that I used Curio size 3 thread, crochet thread, and I got that from Curio Crochet. So in terms of the designer, she was super helpful, asked a few questions. I got a little confused around like this part of the pattern, like where you're like doing the V-neck part. And she was super helpful. I sent pictures and I eventually figured it out, but she was really, really helpful. And some designers, they don't like when you contact them. So I was really happy that I just messaged her on Etsy and she got back to me really, really quickly. In terms of the thread, I ordered this thread a while ago and I think it took like over a month. And so I called Curio Crochet and I was like, hey, I ordered this thread. They were like, what's your order number? And they basically figured everything out. The guy that I talked to, I don't remember his name, but he was so nice. He was just like, oh my gosh, it's at a warehouse, it's pretty backed up, so let me send out another order. And I ordered 6 balls thinking this would take 6 balls. It actually took like 3. So the guy, I had ordered 6 balls of yarn. The guy sent me 6 more balls of yarn. He was like, just keep all of the yarn. So I do have another design coming in a couple of weeks. And then I currently have like 5 balls left. So I'm basically just trying to figure out what I can do with that. I might do a giveaway. So if you're interested in some of this yarn, just like let me know, because I have a ton of yarn left. But for the time being, I'm probably just gonna crochet unless if somebody watches this video and wants to play around with this yarn. But it's really, really nice. I love this top. I feel like I could wear it anywhere. I love the wrap design. It's just super cute. What else do I want to say about this? I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, I really enjoy the top. If you like this little quick story time afterward, just let me know. If you want me to stick to the quick 1-minute video with me just styling it really quick, just let me know. Also with the styling, it probably won't always be styling in 3 ways. I don't know if you've noticed, but I do kind of use the same bottoms or whatever. I style it kind of the same way. I am working toward being a minimalist, so I don't have very many clothes in my closet. I have like the same 10 items that I wear to work every week, so I kind of switch that stuff out, but I don't have a ton of clothes, and I'm not trying to have a ton of clothes. Check out my Mercari store. I'm getting rid of a lot of stuff. But because I don't have like a million ways to style something, and I don't want to have a million ways to style something, I'll probably try to continue the styling, but for the most part, I may try to switch it up and make it, you know, just a day in the life of the item, or do something, you know, interesting, but it won't always be the same styling because I know that the same items I have are gonna get old. But I think I've talked too much. Oh, one more thing. The reason I chose this Curio thread is because of this girl's Instagram. I know her name is Sarah, but I can't remember her actual Instagram name, so I'll link it over here. She makes the most amazing, so when I learned about crochet thread, I looked at her Instagram, and she had some of the most amazing items made out of Curio thread, and she used Curio 10, which I've never used. I have bought this thread, I don't remember, Lydia's? It's by Yarnspiration, but I got the 10 in that, and it was so ridiculously thin, I couldn't do it. But the 3 I think I could work with, and they also make a size 5, not in Curio, but cotton thread comes in a size 5, so I may try to check that out from Hobby Lobby. But all of those threads, like Lydia's and from Hobby Lobby, they're mercerized cotton. This is just plain cotton. It's just straight cotton, and I really like it. I think it has a much better drape. So I really like this better than anything else, but back to her. She has this amazing Instagram. She makes these amazing projects, and that was when I knew I had to try this Curio thread, and I'm very happy with it. So thanks to her for introducing me to this. And I will see y'all next time. I have a schedule for everything. It's not like I just willy-nilly make something. I do try to stay on the schedule. Hopefully you've noticed that. Hopefully you appreciate that. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Be sure to like this video, and I will see you with my next project. Bye.